What's going on, guys? CentraTech here, and today we have another package from Apple that we're going to unbox. So let's get into it. You guys probably know what it is from the title, but second generation AirPods. Let's cut this. Bam. Okay, so these are my first AirPods that I'm actually unboxing. Pretty excited. I got this engraved with the tiger emoji, so it took a bit longer to arrive. Okay, so I got the package open. Super nice box. You got the AirPods case on back with the lightning connector. Designed by Apple in California. And the AirPods themselves. So let's put this aside. Anything else in here? Okay. So we got a lightning to USB cable in the back of the box. Set all these aside. Designed by Apple in California. A quick start guide for iOS, and the charging indicators and what all the lights mean. Besides that, we get all your notices and stuff like that. So let's get into the AirPods themselves. They're smaller than I expected, but a bit heavier too. So the emoji isn't engraved into the AirPods case. It's kind of like a layer on top, so it's not embossed at all. These are the AirPods themselves here. They're pretty comfortable. And I'm gonna hook these up to my MacBook and my iPhone, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I connected the AirPods to my devices, and the sound quality is really good. So you just open up the lid and it will prompt you to connect it on your iOS device. From there you could connect it to your MacBook, your Apple Watch, or anything else. They're super easy to connect, so if you just open up the case, take one earpod out, just put it in your ear and it will connect automatically. And besides that, they have a really good mid sound, and the bass isn't too much, but it's there, so it's more of a neutral sound. It's really good though, and the sound of the case when you close it is super good too. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe down below, and I see you guys next time. Peace.